Hello friends, welcome back to Unbox 7. Today I brought another review for you guys, and in this review I'm going to unbox this amazing Gasland Chef over the range microwave oven, which is 1.9 cu feet, and it's very huge, it's very big. You can set it over the range. It has some installation stuff also inside it. So if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do it right now, and also turn on the bell icon. I am unboxing the box and see what we got inside. So this is very big box. So here we have some installation stuff and some screws, and I'm gonna take like everything one by one. The grill for this microwave oven, and this is the glass plate for our oven, and this is this big, and it's like only microwave safe. And here we have some booklets and also the stand for our glass plate. I'm going to show you guys. Here we have the filters for exhaust fan, and these are the booklets and all the information like warranty and how to install and what like tools you need. This is that book. We have different language, and this is the book that you can see all the details about this product, all the numbers, all the functionality in this book. Stuff away, put everything here on the table. Okay, let's open the big boy now. So we have this big huge packing, and here we have the microwave in huge packing. You can see this is how it looks like. Okay guys, so let's strip it over so I can take the product out from the box. It's so heavy for me. So here we have the product. Okay, now I'm gonna remove this box. Okay, now I'm gonna slide it out. See how I'm gonna do. The covering from here. Here we have the wire for this one, and here it looks like from part, I think goes from here. It's gonna go here, and it's also used for exhaust damper. So we use this in place before installing oven. Okay guys, I'm gonna open this and show you how it looks like from inside. So this is the big one, and here we have this thing that goes right here, and it will adjust here like this, and we'll put our plate and also the tray roller on top of this. So I'm gonna bring those two stuff here. So first this can go like this. The thing I'm gonna do is remove this tape and then put this on the top of this like this, and it's all adjust. It's ready to use now. And guys, here we have all the information about the model, serial number and item number, and like a manufacturing date. It was manufactured in January 2024, and also more stuff about this product. Here we have like a lot of options to use in this oven: popcorn, potato, veggies, pizza, auto reheat, auto cook, snacks. And if you guys want to buy this product, you can go in my description link and check the link there, and you can buy from there. It also has options here, so you can use your exhaust fan from this button and also turn off your light from this button. It also have light and exhaust both, and you can use time like and adjust your timing according to your food. So guys, the grill also comes with it. So if you want to use the grill, all you need to do is just put this grill over these little hooks like this, and you can also make your stuff here. Like if you want to make your pizza, you can make your pizza on this grill. Bye.